Good afternoon. This is Severance LTD, Craig Severance, and our primary website is severanceltd.com. This is my introduction to Severance LTD and many other projects that we have done. If you need or would like to work with Severance LTD, then please reach out to us at severanceltd.com, and we'd be more than happy to talk to you about your project. Um, we are SMEs, subject matter experts in several different areas of AI models, creation, training. We could do software development using AI and Grok and Python. And we are here and ready for you to tap us to get your next project going. Uh, my core experience came out of the telecommunications industry, working on telecom projects for companies like Google, Microsoft, AT&T, Lumen, and many, many more. I've been in the industry for a very long time and have expanded my skill sets out. I am a Google um, certified project management professional and have been a Cisco CCNA certified, and wanted to reach out and say hello and welcome you to Severance LTD. Wanted to show you a couple of projects that we're working on, and you can talk to us about whatever it is that you want. Here's one of our websites. It's sitesurvey360.com, sitesurvey360.com. Here's a very cool project. I've built customized software that uses virtual reality and 360-degree videos and 360-degree pictures surveys for the telecommunications and restaurant industry. So here, I just want to show you really quick what we can do. We can go into a facility, and then we can move around in 360 degrees, and then we can travel through that facility. We can move along hallways, go in through doors, and we can pop up videos. We can mount content on walls and things like that, as you can see here. And that can play a video. Site Survey 360, a complete immersive experience. Request a demo today. So we do cool stuff like that. We can put videos, up.
Power 360 video as part of a site survey.
More stuff on the walls we can navigate through here. I won't bore you with all of that. And then we can leave the room and head back to the location. That's one simple product. Here's some more videos that we've put up here. So imagine a site survey where not only can you navigate through a facility and zoom in, zoom out on equipment, get closer looks. You can also watch videos and pictures, manuals, open up manuals for particular equipment right there in the room or on the walls. That's a project we've been working on for a long time. Here's also a journalist, investigative journalism. And this is talkaboutnews.org, and it dynamically pulls content from x.com and loads that information every hour. And we also have our Grok Pot AI on YouTube. If you do a search for Grok Pot AI or Grok AI development or Grok software development, you'll find us. And here we're currently building a tutorial how to develop software using Grok and Python. These are walkthroughs, and it gets you started by loading up Python on Windows and activating your virtual directory. And so we will be building applications using Grok on this platform here. So this is a very exciting project that we've just started, and we hope that you'll come over here and check it out. Here is our Site Survey 360 website that has tutorials, all kinds of very cool tutorials on using our virtual reality software and our 360-degree software to build site surveys for restaurants. This is McDonald's. And the telecommunications, warehousing. You can open up doors. You do all kinds of very cool stuff in it. And it's all owned by the user, the owner, the person that purchased the product. We don't store it for you. We can load it on your server so that you have ownership of the software. So this is another great project. And then here's a project we've been working on for many years. We have been using AI for a very long time. And what we've done is we've created an AI enhanced news station. And what we've done is we have used AI in order to tell real stories. So here's a sample one right here. This is all AI, but the story is real.
All family pharmacy. If you want to have medical freedom, one of the foundational elements of that is a pharmacy that you can get access to someone that a professional, a doctor.
Kash Patel appears to be trying to justify the shooting of Alex Preddy in the Minneapolis riot. Crystal, what is your opinion on this topic? It seems like the administration wants to have it both ways. Guns are good and guns are bad? Yes, this is exactly what it seems to be the message. The Second Amendment does not end at government protests, right? We would love to hear your opinion on this issue. Can we protest with guns in America? Please leave your comments below and tell us how you feel about our Second Amendment rights.
So you could see that, we've been doing a lot of things in a lot of different areas for a very long time. And we are confident that we can take care of your project. Please reach out to us at severanceltd.com, and we'd be more than happy to talk to you about your project. You have a great day, and God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Take care.